In a move that has set shockwaves through the political establishment, President Mnangagwa has reportedly replaced Vice President Chiwenga with Kuda Tagwirei. Sarabina mashoko anobuda panguva inoi anyatsokuonekwa kunzi VP Chiwenga has been replaced nezviitiko zviri kuonekwa zviri kuitika munyika yeZimbabwe. Recently, takaona most performing ministers. Toona kuti VP Chiwenga nemamotives avari kuita. Tokuona kuti recently he was visiting mines achiuya panguva inoi achifamba nemovement yekuti let's not export our minerals but let them be processed in our country to provide employment. But panguva ino kunokonzi VP Chiwenga vanonyimwa ma-awards. Kuti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tika panguva ino aiwa munova mudanyira vachiti the high-stakes leadership transition detailed by the channel ZVAITWA news updates represents a seismic shift in hierarchy of power. The development framed by the title Ondo Yatanga suggests a brewing internal conflict that will redefine the nation's governance structure. The sudden removal of Vice President Chiwenga from his post in favor of Kuda Tagwirei marks a significant departure from established political norms. For years, the interplay between the military establishment and the presidency has been a defining feature of the country's governance. By installing Tagwirei, a figure often associated with significant economic influence, Mnangagwa appears to be consolidating power in a way that bypasses traditional military political alliances. The transition is not merely a personal change. It is a fundamental realignment of the interests that sustain the current administration. Doma developments are popular in Zimbabwe. Pangwana tunaona kuti from all the angles Chiwenga is being sidelined. Recently, takaona again Kuda Tagwirei when he bidded achinotenga motikari yemutungamiri wenyika nema-billions. Zvinozobuda pachena kuti vana Kuda Tagwirei they are just bribing. They are being positioned in power nekuda kwekusapota mutungamiri wenyika pa2030 agenda. Vina comment section medu zafungo aim to be pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.